Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Let's learn how to write the letter A. Capital A. Start from the top and draw a slanting line downwards. Go to the top and draw another slanting line down to the opposite side. Now go little below the middle and draw a sleeping line across. Small a. Start from the middle and make a curve reaching the bottom. Next, go to the middle again and draw a standing line downwards with a small curl at the bottom. Now you know how to write the letter A, so try to write it properly.